We believe probiotic products are the direction of the future and the next step towards sustainable living and cleaning. Our company started as a means to provide what we believe to be life-changing products to people who need them. It started with the knowledge from research that found daily use of conventional chemical products do not just endanger our environment, but can no longer clean, care with optimal efficiency. The overuse of cleaners, disinfectants, and antibiotics today is causing pathogenic bacteria to begin developing resistance to these chemical agents, making these products dangerous for us as they cause biological imbalances and promote the risk of bacterial infections. Learning this has led us to find a solution to this issue by formulating a range of high-quality probiotic cleaners made to keep us, our little ones, and furry ones healthier and our homes cleaner and safer in the natural way. Oommi uses minimal ingredients with no preservatives added, is non-toxic, made with a mild and biodegradable formula. If our formula is safe enough to house our life beneficial microbes, then it is safe to be used for our little ones, pets, and the environment. Our products ensure safe and optimal sustainable cleaning, setting us apart from other traditional cleaning products. Oommi Probiotics clean the same way nature has been cleaning for billions of years.